Good afternoon, students. Today we are starting with class 6th ASL, the new unit, unit number 3, Friends Always. As we say, friend in need is a friend indeed. That means he is the true friend for you all. Okay? Listening activity. We are starting with the listening activity for class 6. You are going to listen to a talk by Anita Singh, the caretaker at the animal shelter. As you listen, write T for true and F for false statements. Read the statements before you listen to the talk. If you are having an ASL dialogue book, you can read all the questions which is given in your book first. Now I will be reading the conversation for you. Good morning. It's nice to see that so many of you are taking home your new pets today. I am sure you will enjoy them because there are many advantages to having dogs as pets. The best among them is that dogs can give you a lot of love and affection. They are also such patient listeners that you can share all your secrets with them. Some dog lovers have even said that dogs can change people. They make people unselfish and caring. How do they do that? When you take care of your dogs, you think about them, understand their feelings, and give them what they want. And you learn to do the same with others. Next, dogs can also help you stay healthy and fit as they need regular exercise. You have to take them for walk and play with them. And these activities will keep you active and healthy. But you must look after your dogs carefully. Make sure you give them wholesome food and keep them clean. Use good shampoos and soaps. Give them enough love, care, and attention. And most importantly, protect them from diseases. Take them to the vet. Vet means veterinary hospital, where animals are cared. The doctors are there for animals, where animals are cared for regular checkups and vaccinations. It is a little expensive and a lot of work. You have to give time to it. Sometimes you may even have to give up on other activities to take care of your dogs. You may think of these as disadvantages of keeping dogs. But don't we do all these for our brothers and sisters and even for our friends? Dogs too are like our brothers and sisters or friends. Once we take them home, they become our family members and we have to take care of them. So, good luck to all of you. Have a wonderful time with your pets. Now, you will be listening to this conversation twice, then only you will be solving the questions. As I will be reading the questions for you all, you have to note down those questions, fill in the blanks, MCQs or true and false, it may be anything. Okay, so you have to do true and false in this conversation. I will be reading out those questions for you. Listen to the conversation twice, listen very carefully and very attentively, then only try to solve your answers. Okay, so by the time read the question in your unit number 3, that is friends always. In the short while, I will be reading the questions for you in unit number 3. In unit number 3, friends always. Now see, I will be reading out the question for you. As you have listened to the conversation, listen to the conversation and start marking your answers. Okay, listen to the conversation very slowly and start marking your answers. Question is divided into task A and task B. First, we will be doing task A. You are going to listen to a talk by Anita Singh, the character at the animal shelter. As you listen, write T for true and F for false statements. Read these statements before you listen. Now, first statement I am reading for you for true and false. Dogs make good pets. You have to mark in this true or false. Okay, you will be noting down these statements in the copy also, then you will be marking true and false. Second one, dogs are very impatient. You have to mark in this statement true or false. Third statement I am reading for you, dogs teach you to care for others. Mark true and false in this statement. Fourth statement I am reading for you, dogs can make you lazy and fat. You have to mark true and false in this statement as well. Fifth one I am reading for you, you need not take care of dogs. You have to mark true and false in this statement as well. Sixth one I am reading for you. It does not matter what food dogs eat. You have to mark true and false in this statement. Seventh one I am reading for you. It is necessary to take dogs to the vet. It is VET. Vet means veterinary. Animals hospital. It means that. Okay. You have to mark true and false in this statement. The eighth one I am reading for you. One disadvantage of keeping a dog can be that it requires a lot of time. You have to mark true and false in this statement as well. Okay. Now listen carefully to the conversation and mark true and false in these statements. Note down these statements in the copy first, then mark true and false. Now the B part of the question I am reading for you, the B task, you have to choose the correct option. Only one question is there. You have to choose the correct option. Okay. Option I will be giving you. You will be noting down the question and options in your copy. Then try to mark the correct answer. Now see B task. Tick the statement that best sums up the main advantage and disadvantage of keeping a pet dog. Now MCQ question I am reading for you. A pet dog. Again I am reading a pet dog. Now I will be reading the options for you. First option is not good company and also expensive to look after. Second option is good company and not expensive to look after. Third option is good company but can be expensive. So out of these three options, you have to take the correct one. Okay. So best of luck. Do nicely. Thank you very much.